Let us look at tree recursion. For that I will create a new project. Project type is command line tool. Project name I will give it as tree recursion. Next, create the project. Your project is ready, and here is the main function. Here I will write down a function for tree recursion, the one we have already discussed. Function fun, which takes parameter n. If n is greater than 0, then printf the value of n. Next, it will call itself by passing n-1 for 2 times. Now this function I will call it from main. Function fun by passing value 3. Let us run the program. See, the output is 3211 211. Here is the output 3211 211. So the same output we got. Now let us debug this program and check how these functions are called and how this output is generated. So I'll put a breakpoint here and I will run the program. So debugger stops here at the breakpoint and at the beginning point of the function call. Inside debug navigator we can see just main function. Now here we will observe how the function calls are created and destroyed. You can better watch in this watch window how these function calls are created and how the value of n are changing. So let me continue. The first function call, you can see here that n is 3. Inside watch n is 3. Printf, it will print 3, then it will call itself for 2. Now this time n is 2 and there are 2 function calls here in the debug navigation. Printf2, then call itself for function 1, then printf1, then call itself for 0. This time it will not execute. So total 4 calls. This is for 3, 2, 1 and 0. From the bottom if we check, don't go on these numbers. These are actually the ordering, that is 0th call, first call, second call, so on. This is not the values of n. Now this function ends and it will go back to previous call where the value of n was 1. Then it will make a second call. Now you can see that it is on the second line. The second line is highlighted with green color. It's going to execute the second call. Now the value of n is 1. So again 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, the function call is for 0. Here you can see in the watch window value is 0. And again the function calls are 4. This function will not enter into if, it will come out. Then it will go back to function call for 1. Then back on 2. Now for 2, first call has finished. Now it is going to make second call for 1. N value is 2. Now for 1, 1 is printed once again. So here we got the output. Then for 0, again 0, 2 calls are over. Now back to 2 and back to 3. Now for 3, when the n value was 3, this first call has finished. Now the second call will be done. So it will be 3 minus 1, 2. So same thing, just how we got a 2, 1, 1, same way we get a 2, 1, 1. Now you can see here inside the debug navigation, that is main function, and only one function is there with the value of n as 3. Now again it will expand, it will be ascending. Print 2, call for 1, print 1, call for 0. Now again you can see that here 4 function calls are there above main. this ends and 0 also ends, 1 is printed, 0 is called, 0 terminates, 2 terminates and 3 terminates. It's returned back to main function. So the things to observe here are how many activation records are created inside the stack. If you count total calls are 15, but at most at a time maximum 4 calls were there. So that's all about this tree recursion.